Hey money hustlers, welcome back to the channel where we uncover the latest and greatest ways to make money online. I'm your host, and today's video is all about leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, to build income streams in 2025. Now, before you think this is some sci-fi fantasy or tech-heavy jargon, let me tell you something important. You don't need to be a coder, a data scientist, or even an AI expert to profit from this revolutionary technology. In fact, AI tools are becoming so accessible that anyone can use them to create value and cash flow. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start making money with AI, whether you're looking for side hustle ideas or full-time income opportunities. So grab a pen, take notes, and let's dive into. Let's kick things off with one of the hottest trends right now: AI content creation. Whether you're writing blogs, creating videos, or designing graphics, AI tools can help you produce high-quality content faster than ever before. Here's how you can monetize AI-generated content. First, let's talk about blogging and SEO writing. You can use platforms like Jasper AI or Copy.ai to generate blog posts optimized for search engines. Once your articles rank on Google, they can drive traffic and earn ad revenue or affiliate commissions. And here's a pro tip: focus on niche topics with low competition but high demand. Next up, we have video script writing and editing. Tools like Synthesia allow you to create professional-looking videos with AI avatars reading scripts you provide. These videos can be sold to businesses or used for YouTube monetization. And don't forget about social media management. Platforms like ChatGPT or Writer can help you craft engaging captions, hashtags, and posts for clients, or even grow your own following to attract sponsorships. The best part? Many of these tools offer free trials so you can test them out without spending a dime. And once you've mastered the process, scaling becomes effortless. Now let's talk about selling AI-powered products or services, a fantastic way to tap into the growing demand for automation and efficiency. Here are 3 lucrative options. First, AI art and design. Platforms like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion let you create stunning artwork, logos, and illustrations using simple text prompts. You can sell these creations on marketplaces like Etsy or Fiverr. For example, a custom logo designed in minutes could fetch $50 to $200 per client. Next, chatbot development. Businesses love chatbots because they save time and improve customer service. If you learn how to set up basic chatbots using tools like Tidio or ManyChat, you can charge hundreds or even thousands per project. Believe it or not, many companies still don't know how to integrate AI into their workflows. By positioning yourself as an AI consultant, even if you're learning along the way, you can charge premium rates to guide them through implementation. Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Simply package existing AI solutions in a way that solves real-world problems for your target audience. Certain blockchain projects leverage AI for tasks like trading algorithms, predictive analytics, or decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. It's always a good idea to research tokens backed by solid teams and innovative use cases. If picking individual stocks feels too risky, robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront use AI to manage diversified portfolios tailored to your goals. They charge low fees and require minimal oversight. Pro tip: always do thorough research before investing. Don't put money into anything you don't understand, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Finally, let's explore teaching and coaching with AI, an emerging field with huge potential. As AI becomes more mainstream, there's growing demand for educators who can simplify complex concepts and teach practical applications. Online courses create courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, teaching others how to use specific AI tools. For example, how to build a chatbot in 30 minutes or mastering Mid-Journey for artists. One-on-one coaching. Offer personalized guidance to entrepreneurs, marketers, or freelancers looking to incorporate AI into their workflows. Charge hourly rates or package deals. YouTube and blogging. Share bite-sized tutorials and case studies showcasing AI's capabilities. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. The key here is positioning yourself as a trusted authority. And there you have it. 4 powerful ways to make money with AI in 2025. Whether you choose content creation, product sales, investing, or education, the opportunities are endless. Remember, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a tool that levels the playing field for hustlers like us. Start small, experiment with different strategies, and scale what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to Money Hustle 360 for more actionable tips on building wealth online. Drop a comment below telling me which AI idea excites you the most. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling smart, not hard. See ya.